Hi there, Alan Jones here from Lloyds Classic Car Auctions, the best auction house in Australia. And today I will be presenting this 1969 Ford Torino Cobra Jet GT. This is a spectacular classic that's had a lot of work done by the current custodian. It's an eye-catching vehicle that flaunts every curve. Finished in fiery red, these classics look great and perform even better. This one you don't want to miss out on. Clint Eastwood loved his. To organise a virtual inspection, please call Lloyds Classic Car Auctions directly on 1800 456 588 or head to their website on lloydsauctions.com.au. This immaculate classic will be going under the hammer on Saturday, February 26th from 10 AM. This one you don't want to miss out on.